Hello everyone. So today we will create dance party in Scratch 3.0. So let's get started with this. So what our first step is, find ban and max in your sprites library and load them into a new program. Okay. So we will take the sprite. Here we will find ban and max. So you got a ban over here, and one more sprite will be our max. So let's find the max. We will go on the people and find the max over here. Okay, so you can see the max over here. This is max. We have taken the two sprites over here. Now let's see about another step. Step number 2. Go to Ben script editor. Use a next costume looks block for his dance position. Add a wait of 0.5 seconds control block for a quick costume switch. Try adding side to side movement with 10 move steps and 10 minus steps. Wrap everything in a forever control block to keep Ben dancing and Leslie enjoy his moves. So now we will do coding over here. First we will take Van Click. So here is Van Click. Second, next costume, we will go on looks. Here we will find next costume. Now the third one, we will take wait for 0.5 seconds. Next one we will take is move 10 steps. The next one we will take wait again 0.5 seconds. And the next we will take move minus 10 steps. So let's do that. Okay. And we have to do it for forever because let's ban dancing endlessly. So let's take forever block over here like this. Okay, no, not like this. First you have to add all this one after another like this. And now we will add this. Okay. So you can see our blocks are done over here. Now let's see the next thing. So what is our next step? Step number 3. Switch Max to script editor. Check Max costume under the costume tab. Notice the fourth costume Max showing her holding a basketball. Avoid having the basketball randomly and appear and disappear while Max dance. It will be odd. Okay. So let's go to the costume. First click on Max and go to the costume. In the fourth, we have to take the ball and we have to delete it, or we have to remove the ball over here. Okay. Where's the ball? Take it again. Okay, we will take the ball again over here. So you can see this is the ball. Now we will go on costumes and we will take the ball. Okay, you can see we have taken the ball again. Now we will delete the ball. On the upper side of your screen, you can see the option of delete. So here I have removed the ball. Now let's see another step. What is it? Okay, we have avoid the ball over here. Now what we will do? Basically, we will do here code block. So first we will take when click. So we have to start a new sprite when flat clicked event block. So we will go on code. We will take first when clicked. Second thing, drag over 3 switch costume to look for a max A, max B and max C. Don't forget to add wait of seconds control block between each costume change. You can use the forever control block to make her repeat the costume changes. Shorten the wait time to 0.5 seconds to make her dance faster. Okay, so now we will take costume. So we will take switch costume to max. Okay, first I will take max A. Second thing I will take is wait for 5 seconds, 0.5 seconds. So here we will take 0.5. The next thing we will take again in looks, we will take switch costume to B, max B. Again we will take the same like this, just duplicate it, and here we will take max C. So you can see wait 5 seconds, max C, and one more. We will go on control, and here we will take again 0.5 distance, 0.5. Okay, now let's see another what we have to add is forever block over here. We will drag the forever block, and you can see it has been done. Okay, so let's see our step 4. Our step 4 is we have to add, when Max wears the next costume, we have to add a change by 10 motion block to make her jump. When she wears the Maxi costume, add a change by Y 10 motion block to make her land back on the ground. So we have to add change Y by 10 and change Y by minus 10 after Max B and Max C. First we will add change Y by 10. So here is change Y by 10. We will add here to the switched costume B, and one more time we will add change Y by 10 after the change costume to C, but here we have to make a little changes that we have to take minus 10. So you can see I have added that. Now let's see our another step. What is it? Step number 5. It's not a party without a fun backdrop. Try loading to the party backdrop from your Scratch library. Okay, so we have to take a backdrop. Let's find a backdrop over here. We have to take a party backdrop. Let's see this. Okay, we got. So you can see the backdrop over here. Let's see our another step. Code complete. Choose a fun song like Dance Celebrate from the Scratch Sound Library and add a start sound block under Max when flag clicked event block and select your chosen song. Okay, so here is the band's code. Okay, and here is the Max code. So in both the code we have to add little things. Let's see our Max code is same like this. So click on Max. Okay, it's bands code. Click on bands. First one is Mac. When clicked, forever next costume. Okay, now let's see our max codes. What is that? When clicked, we have to add a sound that is start sound dance celebrate. Okay, so here we will take a sound. So let's find for a sound over here. Delete the first one, and we will take here dance celebrate. Okay, let's see. Okay, we will take this one over here. Now we will go on coding. When we will go on sound, just play the sound. We will take the code block and we will take start sound, dance, celebrate. Okay, so just place it. Now let's see our another. Okay, so here is our coding complete. Let's see the results over here. Okay, so this is our coding. This is the coding of Ben, and this is the coding of Max. So now let's do the full screen and let's see that how it looks. Okay. Okay. So you can see how beautiful it looks, and it is very simple to do coding in Scratch 3.0. Thank you so much. See you soon with a new video.